Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your carrier plan allows tethering and turning cellular data on. That avoids surprise blocks. Next, make sure your phone is charged above 20% and battery saver is off, because hotspots draw power and the system may auto-disable tethering. Open Settings, go to Network or Connections, and tap Hotspot or Personal Hotspot. Enable it now. Then create a secure WPA2 password so strangers cannot join. Once done, leave the screen active briefly to complete setup and continue to the next step. You now fine-tune the hotspot. Change the network name to something clear so your laptop or tablet finds it fast. Choose WPA2 or WPA3 security and type an 8-character or longer password. This prevents easy access by neighbors. If the phone offers band selection, pick 2. 4 GHz when you need longer range, or 5 GHz for higher throughput and less interference. Make sure to enable device limit or connection approval if available, because you finish by connecting your laptop or tablet. Pick the hotspot SSID, enter the password, and confirm you receive an IP and internet access. If connection fails, toggle the hotspot off and on, reboot the phone, or reset network settings. These steps clear common glitches. Make sure to watch data usage so you do not exceed your plan, and disconnect idle devices to save battery and bandwidth. If privacy matters, use a VPN, and if problems persist, contact your carrier for provisioning help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.